They need a home. Your home. These poor children have lost their child. No. How will they survive? How will they survive?
That child must be
They
so
will die
cold.
of thirst.
Have you lost your keychain?
This thing. How will they survive without this thing?
They might get dehydrated.
Someone's missing this beautiful entity.
It's too sunny out.
It's just too sunny.
Would you like to own a Reading bracelet?
How will they play baseball? Or pickleball or softball? Someone's hair looks awful. Find them.
Have you not gotten
It's not okay.
Have you not gotten your shade? They must be so wet from out of the pool. Find this towel a home.
How will they find something to do without this gimp? Christmas colored gimp.
All of these things.
The lost and found the mighty lost and found you might find your towel.
How
we're
are
doing
they?
Sarah
How are
McLachlan
they
style.
gonna find? How are they gonna put up their clothes? Oh my God!
Wait, that came from their clothes warm.
How will they dress up as peanut butter? With your help, we can find these lost items a home. Single tear.
They get sunburns without a swimsuit.
How will they dress up as dinosaurs at Dinosaur Week? How are they going to protect themselves from the many horrors of the world?
How is Kimmy going to carry all of this stuff?
Look at all this stuff.
Poor Kimmy. Poor Kimmy.
Oh no, poor Kimmy. Little Jimmy.
Poor child has
Look at
no
his water
shoes.
bottle. It's neon green. Little Jimmy's water bottle.
Poor
Oh, no,
Kimmy.
he's there.
Kimmy, find your backpack.
His
I
name
know
is
you.
Teddy. Never mind. Little Teddy.
They will step on rocks and die.
It's so sad.
Oh,
With your help, we can get these lost items a home. Just call 877-241-LUNA, and then you can help us. Yes,
Come check the lost and found. Find these items a home if they're yours.
Find all of these items.
Come to Camp
Someone's missing
Evergreen
their
Lost
boxer
and Found.
briefs.
All right.
Please help here.
Yes, don't worry. Help save these children. No! No! Lost and found! Lost and found!